Josie with a new volunteer here. Her name is Pinky. And we are going to see the weird noise she makes at this lady here.
Pinky. She's very loving. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Should we get her again before she kills your grandma?
I think so.
A bit. Now she goes. She's talking. Then she goes with Josie.
You are so sweet. Pinky.
Name is
Hi,
Sweet
Pinky.
Pinky.
Can I pet you? Oh, yeah. See? She loves me. Now let's see what she thinks about this lady here.
My baby. My baby. I am the mommy.
Okay, come here. Ignore this woman. Okay? Are you gonna be cool to me? All right. Yes.
I have to leave so
yes.
she doesn't see
Okay.
me.
Let's see.
I have been so sweet with her. Buy her toys and
All right, Pinky.
give a kiss to the camera.
Bye bye. You did good. You did really good. This is
No.
Josie and Pinky. And one more time. Okay. Now with me. No, you're good with me. What does this lady do to you when we're gone, huh? Okay.
Bye. Thank you.